What are we doing out here?
Oh, hey guys. The Wilderness Channel here, and we're right here with the channel in the nature channel, and we have a wild edgy here. So let's go. Follow me. Kill him! No. Run out, danger. Come here, you. Come here. This is one of the wildest. This is one of the wildest species in the world. Be careful. He's very. Yo.
Are you?
Very hard to kill. Yeah. See, that didn't kill him because it has to be harder than that. It has to be like this. That didn't kill him.
Oh
No.
God! Oh God! Oh God!
We need to kill him. Yeah. No.
Why won't he die? Why won't he die?
Hey. Oh! No! Hey, give me the camera. Give me the camera. It's my turn. Go fight him. Yeah. No. No. Hey, get the camera. Get the camera. Get the camera, Martin. All right. Here we go.
Oh God!
Come here.
Coming! Coming! Why won't he die?
Yeah.
Die already! So tired.
Yeah.
Is he tired?
Ah!
I hope he's done. Get!
No. So, we beat him now. He's not. Oh, he missed. I thought he's still in the wild side. All right, you go try to find. Oh, die.
I think we tamed him.
Well, he's good now.